Hello everyone, my name is Mahogany James. If you're new to my channel, I am a hairstylist. I specialize in natural healthy hair and my salon is located in Atlanta, Georgia. Okay, you guys, so this client came in for the Absolut Repair Molecular System. She is going through so much with her hair. Her hair has changed tremendously since October. This is a new client. Well, she came to me some years ago, but she lived in Dubai for a while. So she's here. She came in, she flew in to get her hair done, and we did the Absolut Repair Molecular System. So I'm going to put a picture of how her hair looked back in October, and then I'm going to put a picture of how her hair looked in February. And then when we get to the blow dry part of this video, you're going to see how her hair looks now. It is a big difference. So this is her hair October of 2024. Her hair is very full. She has a nice length. And then this is her hair February 6th of 2025. So during her consultation, of course, the first thing I asked her, have you gotten your thyroid checked, your vitamin D, your iron? Yes, she got those checked a couple weeks ago. Everything came back normal. So she said, okay, just let me go back to Atlanta and get my hair done by Mahogany. So here we are. We are doing the Absolut Repair Molecular System. This system repairs up to 2 years of damage in one use. It rebuilds the hair molecular structure and it restores strength and elasticity. This is a 5-step system. I just used the first step, which is the pre-treatment. I spray this on. I'm going to let it sit on for a few minutes, and then I will go directly in with the second step, which is the shampoo. She has a lot of shedding, so I'm just going to make sure during her service that I detangle her hair, because I do not want her hair to tangle up after I'm done shampooing. I don't want her hair all tangled. So I make sure that I detangle the hair throughout the whole process. So of course, during her service, I'm asking her like, okay, so what products have you been using? She has been all over the place with her products. I'm not going to name any products, but one of the products that she used, I believe, it's been going viral for people getting hair loss. So that's all I'm saying. So now I'm going directly in with the second step, which is the shampoo. I did not rinse off the pre-treatment. You do not rinse it off. Go directly in with the shampoo, and I will shampoo her hair 3 times. So yes, she's been all over the place with her products, and this is why it's good to just stick with one product line, because she named about, I don't even know how many different products. She named different shampoos and conditioners that she has used since October. And you just can't pinpoint what's going on, because you're all over the place with your product. So this is a reason why you need to stick with one product line. But we still don't know what's causing her hair loss, so that's why I'm not going to name any products that she was using, because that's just not right. And I don't want to say that was the reason for her hair loss, because we don't know that for sure. But what we do know is something is going on, because what is going on with her hair? Like, that is a big difference from October into now. That's a big difference. And you guys haven't even seen how her hair looks now. You just seen what her hair looked back in February. It's a big difference from February. But I'm glad she came, and I'm glad she's even brave enough to come get her hair done, because some women would just put wigs on and try to hide it and try to take care of it themselves at home, when sometimes that's just going to cause more damage. So I'm happy that she's just brave enough to come in and get her hair done and to wear her natural hair. So, and she had no idea what she would walk out of my salon looking like, but she just knew that she needed to come here and get her hair together. So now I am applying the third step, which is the rinse off serum. She will sit with this for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it off, and I will put the Absolut Repair Molecular hair mask on, and she will sit under the hydration with that for 20 minutes. My client did say she's going to go do some more blood work that is going to test, I can't remember what it's called, but to see if it's something that's going on internally with her. I can't remember what it's called that she said she's getting done though. But I really want to know what is happening with her hair. All right, so now I am rinsing off the rinse off serum, and I'm going to apply the fourth step, which is the hair mask. Like I said, she's going to sit under the hydration machine for 20 minutes, and then I will be blow drying her, and I'm going to apply the fifth step before I blow dry her. My client has showed me a video from back when I did her hair. I believe it was in 2021. Her hair was so pretty and full. I'm like, this is crazy. Things that we go through with our bodies, and it affects our hair. Alrighty, so now I'm applying the fifth step, which is the leave-in. And I'm also going to spray on my favorite two products that I always use before I put any heat on the hair, which is the Silk Recharge Spray Serum and the Sea Moss Blow Dry Spray. With these two products, you'll get a heat protectant. It's going to add moisture and shine and make the hair very silky. And it's also going to reduce your dry time by 50%. All right, so now I'm going to section her in 4 sections, and then I will blow dry her. I'm going to be using my heat resistant detangling paddle brush that I absolutely love because it's great for detangling the hair, and it's also heat resistant, so the heat from the blow dryer is not going to cause this brush to melt, so it will last you a very long time. And while blow drying her hair, she didn't get any more shedding or anything, so that is good because we want the shedding to stop. So right now I'm just telling her what products to purchase from my website. I do have products available in the salon, but she flew here and she only had a carry-on, so she can't take the products through security. I also told her to get the Rosemary Carbon Shampoo and the Sea Moss Fusion Shampoo because both of those products have DHT blockers that help aid against hair loss and thinning. So she definitely needs to be using those two shampoos. And the products that she has been using is definitely drying her hair out. So I was telling her that it's important to make sure that you're using shampoos and conditioners that will hydrate and moisturize your hair because her hair is very dry. So you don't even know the full potential of your hair when it's dry. You never know the full potential of your hair when it's dry. So she needs to get her moisture level under control. And also when your hair is dry, that also causes breakage. So we're getting her on the right track. I didn't realize that my camera had died before I started flat ironing her hair, but I did use some of the Therma Seal on her hair before I started to flat iron her hair. The Therma Seal is a lightweight formula that protects against damage from thermal styling and repels moisture, leaving your hair with a silky shine and lots of body. So I'm getting ready to turn her, and you'll be able to see that her hair is very see-through. It is a big difference from the picture that I showed you guys from her hair in February. So I'm going to do her haircut, and what we are not worried about today is length. That is not a priority. That's not something that we care about. We want to cut her hair to a length where it would appear to be more fuller. right here, I'm asking her about, I'm continuing asking her about products, and she named another product that she was using. And I'm like, girl, stay out of Target. So now I'm going to use the honey and avocado wax stick just to lay down her edges. What I love about this product is it doesn't leave that greasy, waxy feel. It's very lightweight and it gives you control. You guys bear with me because I'm just trying to figure out what angle I want to record from. I do want to do different angles, and I'm not good at this recording stuff. So I'm learning though, okay? And of course, you guys know I'm going to pull out my T3 curling iron. I absolutely love styling hair with this curling iron. I use it for body. Maybe if hair was longer, I would use it to curl, but with shorter lengths, I just use it for body. And I will put the link to this curling iron in the description box. And I'm also going to put the link to all the products that I use in this video in the description box. They all are available for purchase on my website. So my client loved her hair, and I'm just so happy that she's able to fly back home and be confident about her hair and not feel insecure about wearing her natural hair out, because that was something that she was a little bit worried about. Was it going to look too thin or whatever? But she is confident, and that's what matters to me. And then right here, we was just talking about the black spray that she can use on her edges to make it appear more fuller. But I said, do not spray it too close because you don't want to look like you painted it on. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. If you would like to book an appointment with me to start your healthy hair journey, or if you just simply want to purchase any of the products that I use, you can visit my website, mahoganyjames.net. Thank you so much, and please do not forget to like and subscribe.